If you have ever needed to join an online meeting or a class on your laptop and you are looking for a simple way to download Zoom, you probably struggled to find the right version or the correct steps. In this video, I will show you step by step how to download and install Zoom on your laptop so you can join meetings quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open any browser and in the search bar, type in Zoom download. Then press enter to search. Here, make sure you click on the link of this exact website that says zoom.us. Because this is the one that we're looking for, you don't need to click on any of these links of other websites. Here you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna find here download button, you're gonna click here. We're gonna wait for a few seconds until it's downloaded. Then you're gonna go to the top right to downloads folder here. You're gonna open here, then open this file. And this is how you can download Zoom on your laptop. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.